When you're hiring, the last thing you need is to waste everyone's time. With a lot of effort, you might find an okay candidate on one of those job board sites, but you're limited to those who are already looking for jobs. The problem is, the best talent aren't actively seeking new roles, and those usual channels simply won't get their attention. If you want people that will make a more powerful impact in your business, you'll need a more evolved recruitment solution. UMan Recruitment is Australia's most trusted recruitment service, specialising in security, fire, AV and HVAC. We locate top-class candidates with the right skills, mindset and track record. First, we hold a strategy session to map out the problems your new employee will solve, as well as key technical and soft skill requirements. Then we often bring multiple well-matched candidates to the table within 48 hours. What's our secret? Our comprehensive database of thousands of candidates in your industry and the ongoing relationships we maintain with them. By continually understanding each candidate's unique skills and career goals, we know exactly who to invite to your opportunity. And once we source your ideal candidates, we'll help you optimize your role marketing, interviewing and onboarding processes to ensure you attract and retain the best. Hiring long-term staff who truly succeed in your business increases profits, client satisfaction and team morale. For over 20 years, UMan has been trusted by industry-leading organisations including CCOM, Quest Security Solutions and more. It's zero risk. You only pay if we find your ideal employee. So if you're serious about the people in your business, browse available candidates on our website today.